Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to download and install AnyDesk, one of the best and most trusted remote access tools available right now. If you have ever wanted to control another PC from your computer or mobile device, help a friend fix their system, or maybe access your own desktop while you're traveling, AnyDesk makes it super simple. It's fast, lightweight, and works smoothly even on slower internet connections. So let's get started. First off, let's talk about what AnyDesk actually does. It's a remote desktop application that lets you connect from one computer to another over the internet. You can see the other screen, move the mouse, type, copy files. Basically, it feels like you're sitting in front of that PC. It's very handy for IT support, online collaboration, or accessing files when you're not at home. Now, about the pricing. When you visit the official website, you might notice that the paid plans look a little expensive. But don't worry. There's a free version available for personal use, and it works just fine for most people. I've tested it myself many times. Occasionally, updates or license prompts might appear, but the version I've linked in the video description has been running perfectly for me. No disconnects, no interruptions. Let's go through the installation process. You can install AnyDesk on Windows 7, 8, 10 and 11. And it also supports macOS, Linux, Android and iOS. So no matter what device you're using, you're covered. Go ahead and click the download link I've provided below. Once the download is complete, open the file and run the installer. The setup is really simple. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Within a minute or two, you'll have AnyDesk ready to go. When you launch it for the first time, you'll see your AnyDesk address. This is your unique ID that allows others to connect to your computer. You can also set your own name and even customize security settings. A quick tip here. If you are going to use AnyDesk frequently, enable the unattended access option. It allows you to connect to your computer remotely without someone being physically there to accept the connection. Just make sure to set a strong password for this. Now, let's talk about a few cool features. You can transfer files easily by just dragging and dropping them between devices. You can record sessions for tutorials or support logs and even chat while connected. There's also an option to change your display quality depending on your internet speed. So if your connection is slow, you can reduce the quality for smoother performance. And remember, security first. AnyDesk is encrypted and safe, but you should never share your ID or password publicly. Only accept connections from people you know and trust. This will help keep your data and privacy protected. If you ever face any issues like connection problems or update errors, drop your questions in the comments section. I always read your comments and reply with solutions or alternate tools that might work better for your needs. Alright, that's it for today's video. I really hope this guide helped you understand how to download, install and use AnyDesk the right way. If it did, please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss my upcoming tutorials. I've been working online for over 15 years and my goal is to help you get the most out of your computer. Whether that's finding reliable software, boosting performance, or learning new tech tricks every week. Thanks a lot for watching everyone. Take care, stay safe online, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.